We are Team 25, and our project is about the gamification of data capture and analysis from physical objects. Our sponsor is Pitney Bowes, who is a global technology company providing commerce solutions to power billions of transactions. Their clients rely on the accuracy and precision delivered by their solutions, analytics, and APIs in the areas of e-commerce fulfillment, shippings and returns, and office mailing and shipping, and more. As commerce has evolved, information about a package or a piece of mail has become almost as important as the item itself. The USPS has continued to place more and more data within barcodes on envelopes and packages, and this data can be used to gain insights into the behaviors of shippers, carriers, and technology providers. Pitney Bowes has initiated several programs internally to encourage employees to send images of the mail and packages they receive for analysis, but many of them have lost interest and engagement fairly quickly. Our goal is to gamify the process, allowing users to earn company-sponsored rewards for their team in order to increase user engagement and collect valuable data for Pitney Bowes to use to improve their services.
Because the prompt was for a mobile application, we looked into different tools to use in order to create the app. One of the requirements was to be cross-platform. As such, we narrowed down our options to Flutter or React Native. Our solution to this was choosing React Native because it's a popular cross-platform framework and has a long history of documentation comparatively.
For barcode scanning, we have attempted to use several barcode decoding libraries. This included packages directly available in React Native modules, machine learning decoders such as MLKit, and Python libraries. For barcode detection, we had options of some libraries which could decode barcode from a given file, or we could choose to decode barcode from in-app scanning without actually taking a picture.
In regards to the solution that we actually went forward with, looking at the decoding libraries, we implemented and tested each of the libraries that Sadiq had just touched on, and we ultimately decided to use a Python script hosted in our backend. We went forward with the Python script because it has two main libraries, ZXing and PyLibDMTX, which can both decode barcodes more accurately than the other solutions. In regards to the barcode detection, we ended up using React Native's barcode scanner, which is built into the React Native Camera API to detect the barcode. We chose this method because we and our sponsors agreed that detecting the barcode live in the app will provide the best user experience. And additionally, it requires minimal effort from the user as they simply point their phone at a barcode, it scans and automatically submits to the backend.
And as far as the backend goes, we knew that we wanted to use Python, but we weren't sure which framework would be best suited for our purposes. Popular ones include Flask, Django, and FastAPI. And then as far as cloud hosting goes, we weren't sure whether AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud would be best. For the Python framework, we ended up going with FastAPI as it had many advantages over the others, including speed and type checking. And as far as cloud hosting goes, we went with AWS as it is by far the most popular and had the most support from external parties.
All right, and now for a demo of our app. So this is the login screen of the app. And if you go to login, you can see our account is already there. At first, when the user logs in, it'll ask them to select a team if they have never done so before, so they can be placed on different teams, so they can have contests between the users to see who can scan more packages to get more points. So if we go ahead and sign in, it'll bring me back to the main menu screen, and we can look right here and see that on the senior design user, we have 100 points total. So if we go ahead and go to the barcode scanner, we can scan a package that I had already. And it takes a little bit of a second because it's using multiple tests to see which kind of barcode it is so it can decode. And it'll pop up and saying, thank you for uploading, you get 10 points. So if we go back inside of the leaderboard, you can see now we have 110 right there and we have 11 uploads.